Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable call forwarding in Redmi 14C device. So for this guys, first of all, go to call log or dialer and here we have three dot option. So just tap here guys and then click to settings. Now in this section, just scroll down. As you see, we have option of calling account. Just tap on calling account. Here on the third, we have call forwarding. So just tap on call forwarding guys. As you see, it is reading settings. Okay, after that guys, just click on always forward and enter the number which you want to forward the call and then click turn on. So if you're talking about when busy, that if you're busy, so just enter the number here which you want to forward the call and then click turn on. So if you have an incoming call and you are busy on another call, so your call will be transferred to another number. If you unanswered any call, so it will be transferred to or forward to and another contact number which you enter here. So that's how we can enable call forwarding setting in Redmi 14C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.